Hello YouTube, it's Charlie from Ash Funny Adventures. Today we're going to be unboxing the Modern Warfare 3 limited edition console. It comes with a 320GB hard drive, 2 Modern Warfare 3 controllers, a copy of the game, and a standard Microsoft headset. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this. So the first thing that we're gonna get is the Start Here guide, and it's basically going to show you how to start up your Xbox 360 and how to turn on your controller. But we don't basically need that, so let's go ahead and put that aside. Alright, so here we have some information of Xbox Live. It's just basically telling you what you get when you join Xbox Live. Here we have a flyer telling you to purchase the Xbox 360 extended service plan. This is just a magazine subscription, we don't need that right now. Alright, so here's the Xbox 360, let's put that aside for now. Okay, so here we have the standard copy of Modern Warfare 3. Alright, so here are the game add-ons. The only thing that you get, I believe, is a hat that says Modern Warfare 3 and a shirt. That's about it. Right, so here on the left we have the second part of the power brick. Let's go ahead and take that out, put that aside. So up here we have the power brick. And on the right we have our headset. Alright, so we also have a standard AV cable. And in here we have our 2 controllers. Let's go ahead and unwrap them. Alright, so by the way, I think the paint job on these controllers look nice. And it also comes with a rotating D-pad. Alright, so here's the manual. We don't need that right now. Alright, so I think that's about it. I think we didn't forget anything. So yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Modern Warfare 3 limited edition console. And here's just a better view of the box. Alright, so let's go ahead and unwrap the Xbox 360. So like I said before, this Xbox has a 320GB hard drive And one cool feature is that when you turn on your Xbox or eject the disc, it actually plays a sound from Modern Warfare 3, so that's kind of cool to have. Alright, so we have 3 USBs. We have a port for your Connect, an Ethernet port, an AV port, an HDMI port, and a PDIF port. And we also have at the bottom a port for our power supply. Alright, that's about it, guys. The video ends here. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button up top. We also do tech videos and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.